No, no. Yeah, here I am being a pro.
Oh, yeah.
But she'll know where to go. I think
I'm
so.
just doing a...
Oh yeah, that's Vicky.
Hello, Vicky. Are you to do with Tom?
Gary.
Gary. Okay, I was getting there.
Yeah.
Well, shite happens.
So we got a few. I think looking at it, we got the Mini 5.
So Vicky and Linda.
Yeah, Mini 5 Pro taken off first.
With the key my car. Yeah, yeah. That's why it's called Brant. It's called Brant Aerials. People always call me Gary Brant, but I'm not Gary Brant. You remember the Americans at the airport, like in Malaga?
So we're at a reservoir.
Somebody we had to say.
I'll put the name of it. So there's quite a few of us. This is the first day of the big meet.
I know.
They all want out.
They all want to move out of.
People call me Gary Brant because it's Brant Aerials.
Because it's Brant Aerials, yeah.
So I explained that to the county. And
What I'll do is I'm going to do a little intro, and then if you'll pan around and just show everybody.
Yeah, and I find it
So just in case you want to know, guys, this is Idaho quadcopter Marcus. He's come all this
Yeah,
way
exactly right.
put it on first.
to do a demonstration on his
Lift this up a little bit.
Air 3S. Yeah, there it is. Well done, Jack.
Hey everybody, Marcus here with the Idaho Quadcopter channel.
And it's Terry Holmes here with the Idaho Quadcopter.
Yeah, and
Gary Foster from Canada.
from Canada.
Yeah, you got to do that bit again. Got to have that bit.
Hey, okay, what are we going to do? Let's get this bird in the air.
Yeah! Operating time, removing the...
It won't bloody unscrew.
No?
No casualties.
Pause. Come on in, Terry. Come on in, Terry. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. My favorite Bobby right here. Right here.
Figure it out. Yeah. In Spain.
I'll make myself useful.
That's about as much as it's going to get out of me, Marcus.
That's about the size of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got to do 1 and 2.5 inch.
I think the best thing is the sound and the crackling.
Yeah.
Won't get better. So what do you think of the HP sauce then?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bit meaty?
Yeah. It's, in Spain, what would we say? Muy bueno.
Correcto.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is day 3 of the Drone Seekers International Meetup 2025 in the Murcia region, and we're at the FBV city, as I call it, or Fortuna. This is an old abandoned golf resort that they never actually finished, but it's a brilliant place. As you can hear, we're FPVing. I think we got about 18 people at the moment, maybe more coming up. You got Bit of a mixture as well from America, UK, Canada, and obviously not forgetting Spain. So today, Sunday, is the last day of the meet, and we've got quite a few. I think everybody's turned up today. We've got all dotted all over the place, right over there. So anyway, here's Kevin. He's here today. Not flying yet, Kev?
I will soon.
Yeah.
I'm waiting, otherwise I'll just crash.
Right. Yeah, I think that's what a lot of people were saying. Yeah, but if you don't, you're going to end up flying. There's somebody up on the top there, I can see. So this is Diego. I know, but Diego. Come on, Diego.
Diego
Maradona. Maradona.
Sí.
See, I'm doing my Spanish.
Yeah.
My España. So what drone you got? Oh no. Oh, that's good. No, that's good. What you got today then? Mavic?
No,
Mini?
no problem.
No problem?
No problem.
No.
Antes sí, problem.
Oh well, he's got his Mini 4.
And an Avata.
And the Avata. I'm just going over to see Marcus. Now, Marcus has been following me ever since day one, even when I had my channel called Shaun Matthews Photography. That's how long Marcus has been following me. I just want to catch a phrase that he says on his channel, which is,
What phrase would that be, Shaun?
get that bird in the air.
Get this bird in the air.
So I've got to get that, I've got to capture that now.
You haven't missed it. It's okay. The drone's still on the ground.
So I'm waiting for that phrase of yours.
It's going to happen any second.
Yeah.
Let me get this all figured out here.
Is that the Air 3S?
Air 3S.
Yeah, see, get on it.
And I use my controller from the Mavic 4.
Oh yeah.
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 So I can get it going here. Let's see. Okie dokie. So I've got a screen recorder started, and you can see what the drone sees. So let's take a quick look at the safety menu, like I always do. Always go through that. We're in bypass mode. Normal.
Okay. Action.
Yeah. Action.
Good stuff.
Let's quit messing around. Let's
Yeah.
get this bird in the air. Okay, so on my right side we got Shaun Matthews, Shaun the drone. He is the original drone seeker.
is.
He's the guy that invented the whole
Without
thing.
him,
None of
we
this,
wouldn't have
none
met.
of this would be here. And of course, you don't need an introduction. Everybody knows Backpack Jack. Yeah. So, but we want to take a look at the mines here. So what do we do right now? We're going to do our droney. Reversing up now.
Does it take much to get used to? Or was it
No, it flies.
once you?
It's a really nice fly.
Yeah.
You might be getting ready to launch.
Flies really nice. I'm just checking.
Okay.
Wait for 10 seconds. It will spin up the prop. And I get into position. It's good. It's now waiting for me to throw it. You ready?
Yep. Okay, if I got that.
That is so freaking cool.
That's like a rocket, isn't it?
I'm gliding in for a landing. Let's have a look.
Yeah.
Of course I will abort if I see somebody there.
There's somebody in green.
You're going to land it on my feet today?
No. It'll be a bit further away. I'm just over the wires.
Okay, here we
Yeah,
go.
that lady's.
Here it comes.
There's a lady.
Yeah, she's all right. She's all right.
She's right. That's a bit. Oh no.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Yay! I thought it was
I
nice.
think
Oh, really?
Yeah.